I am Preeti. In this video, I am going to solve question number 10 of exercise 8.1 from trigonometry. So what is question number 10? In triangle PQR, right angle at Q. So there is one right angle triangle. This is Q. So maybe this is P, this is R. Okay. PR plus QR equals to 25 centimeter. It's given, okay, and PQ equals to 5 centimeter. Okay, so determine the value of sin P, cos P, and tan P. Okay, since one side is given 5 centimeter and PR plus QR is 25 centimeter. Okay, so let's imagine PR equals to x centimeter. Okay, if PR is x centimeter, so what is QR value? So QR equals to 25 minus x, correct? If PR will go this side, so it will become minus. Yeah, here I will write here if PR equals to x, or not if, suppose PR equals to x. So QR equals to 25 minus x. Fine. Now PQ is given, QR is x and QR is 25 minus x and PR is x now. Okay, and this is a right angle triangle. Okay, now we can apply Pythagoras theorem to find the value of x. Correct? If we will find the value of x, we can easily calculate PR and QR also. Right? So let's apply Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. Right? Hypo square equal to sum of square of other two sides. Okay? Now, what is PR? PR is x. So x square equals to PQ square. PQ is 5 square plus QR square. QR is 25 minus x whole square. Okay, now to simplify this, x square equals to 5 is 25 plus, this is what? This is a minus b ka whole square. So hope you know a minus b whole square equals to what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, you should remember all the formula. Okay, now a square means 25 square plus x square minus 2 into 25 into x. Correct? 2ab. Now, x square equals to 25 plus 25 square is 625 plus x square minus 25 to the 50x. Correct? So this is equal. So this x square will cancel. Correct? Now this 58 will come this side, so it will become plus. So 50x equals to what? Okay, 625 plus 25 means 650. Correct? Now x equals to what? 650 by 50. So 5 0 0 cancel, and this also 5 1 ja 5 and 5 3 ja 15. So x equals to 13 now. Okay, so what? PR equals to 13 centimeter now, right? Now we will calculate. Here we will write PR equals to 13 centimeter and QR. What will be the value of QR? QR equals to 25 minus 13. Correct? Means 2 and 1, 12. So QR equals to 12 centimeter. Okay? Now we can find out PQ. PQ is already given. QR is now we can find out 12 and PR is 13 centimeter. Okay? Here is one trick. Okay? If maybe you will imagine QR equals to what? X. Okay, means QR equals to X and PR equals to this 25 minus X. Okay, if you will imagine like that, and you will apply the same Pythagoras theorem, and if QR is what, maybe you will calculate as if you will calculate this, so maybe one X will be 12. If your X will be 12, so 25 minus X, what? 25 minus X will be 13. So X equals to 12 and 25 minus X is 13. So which one will be 12 and which one will be 13? So hypo will be always greater than other two side. So this will be 13 centimeter, not 12. Okay. So here I just calculated. So PR is 13. Here also we can see this is 13 centimeter. So maybe if your imagination is this, so maybe X is 12 and 25 minus X is 13. So always take hypo as bigger number. Okay. So this is 13 and this is 12 centimeter. Got it? Now, determine the value of sine P. Sine P. So this is P. For this sine P, sine theta equal to what? Perpendicular by base. Right? So perpendicular is for this theta, this is perpendicular. Correct? So 12 by, what is hypo? Perpendicular by hypo. Sorry. Perpendicular by hypo. So perpendicular is 12 and hypo is what? 13. Correct? So this is 12 by 13. Next. What is next? Cos P. Cos P. Cos P equals to what? Base by hypo. Base by hypo. So for this P, what is base? This PQ is base. Means 5 by 13. Right? And the last one, tan P. Tan P equals to what? Perpendicular by base. So for this, perpendicular is 12 and base is 5. So this is the answer of question number 10. Okay. Now question number 11. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. This is not very important question. You can ignore it if you want, but I am just trying to explain you so that you will understand each and every question, and it is beneficial for your notebook also. Correct? So first one is the value of tan A is always less than 4. No, false. Why? Let's see here. Tan P. What is tan P? If I will calculate here tan P, so tan P is what? Perpendicular by base. So for this example, tan P equals to what? 12 by 5, which is greater than 1. Correct? Because 5 2s are 2.4 around. So this is greater than 1. So this is false. It can be greater than 1. Correct? So first one is false. What is second one? Sec A equals to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. So what is sec A? Sec A is the opposite of tan theta. Sorry, cos theta. And cos theta equals to base by hypo. So this equals to, means this is hypo and this is base. So hypo is 12, means correct. Hypo can be, means must greater than other sides. So this is base. So hypo is greater than this base. So this is also true. Correct? If this will be like sec theta equals to 5 by 12, maybe the question will be like this. So it is false, because hypo, this should be greater than base, and perpendicular also. So this is true. What is third? Cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. No, false. Cos is the abbreviation of cosine. This. And this cosec and is the, this is the abbreviation of this cosec. Okay, so this is false because the abbreviation of cos theta is cosine theta. Okay, now the fourth one is cot A is the product of cot and A. No, false. A is the angle. It's not like cot into A. It's not the multiplication, not the product. A is the angle of this cot. Okay, so this is false. Fifth, sine theta equals to 4 by 3 for some angle. So what is sine theta? Sine theta equals to perpendicular by hypo. So hypo means this 3 and perpendicular means this 4. So hypo can't be less than perpendicular and base. So this is false, as I explained in this question number 2 sec. So here this is false. Okay, so this was the last question of exercise 8.1. If you have any doubt in this exercise, please write your comment in the comment section. Also like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.